12 days after catastrophic flooding swept through Texas Hill Country, the search continues for dozens that are still missing this morning. Lauren Crawford joins us live this morning from our newsroom with the latest on the recovery efforts that are happening in Central Texas. Good morning, Lauren.
Hi, good morning. Well, the scale of this disaster is hard to comprehend. 131 confirmed dead now across the state, and most of that is in Kerr County alone. Now, while the number of those missing is at 101, which is down from 160, local officials on the ground say this effort is going to be a months-long process. Now, it's been nearly a week and a half since the deadly floodwaters tore through the Texas Hill Country, washing away homes, campsites, and entire families. The search restarted Monday morning after weekend storms forced a temporary pause. State and local crews, alongside an estimated 13,000 volunteers, are back on the ground, and more than 2,000 responders from multiple agencies are now deployed in Central Texas. And this massive response is not just local. Governor Greg Abbott says 25 states have sent help.
The stories about those who've been swept away is gut-wrenching and heartbreaking, and the kind of thing that spurs us to do even more to make sure that we're going to be searching and finding everybody that we can.
Now, it is worth re-emphasizing that local officials say that more than a summer's worth of rain fell overnight into the July 4th holiday, really swelling parts of the river from just 3 feet to over 30 feet in just 45 minutes. So if you can just imagine that, again, a summer's worth. And Governor Greg Abbott says a special session of the Texas legislature starts next week, and he says lawmakers are expected to be talking about the flood warning systems, emergency communication breakdowns, as well as, of course, financial relief for the victims in the weeks to come. Guys, back to you.
All right. Meantime, Lauren, we know that as those search efforts continue around Kerr County, the county commissioners are actually discussing draining a lake. Now, during that meeting on Monday, commissioners didn't specify which lake in the county or why, but they did say it would be part of the ongoing search effort. Some experts say, though, draining out any large body of water would be a really challenging task.
Essentially, it requires you to dam certain portion of the river and trap the water and then drain the trapped water out. It's gonna take a number of days to drain the whole volume of water.
Now, Professor Rajib, who you just heard from, believes that focusing on other strategies like recreating where the floodwaters were when those floods hit or where they are today would be more beneficial. CBS News Texas, by the way, did reach out to the county for clarification on that potential plan, but so far we've not heard back.